Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix dish receiver remote not working or responding, IR sensor, battery and hard reset fix. Fix 1. Check the remote batteries. Remove both batteries from the remote, then install a fresh pair of new batteries, making sure the plus and minus ends are inserted correctly. Press and power or guide button to see if the receiver responds. Second fix is, make sure nothing is blocking the IR sensor. Locate the IR sensor on the front of the dish receiver, then remove any object that may be blocking the sensor. Point the remote directly at the receiver from about 5 to 15 feet away. Press a few buttons to check if the receiver responds. Third one is, restart the dish receiver. Unplug the receiver power cord from the electrical outlet, then wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Plug the receiver back in, wait until it fully restarts. Test the remote again. Fourth one is, repair the remote. Stand close to the receiver, then press and hold the set button. Then wait until the pairing process complete. Test the remote to confirm it is working. Thanks for watching.